eating, Maddie? Is it all gone? Is it all gone? I see some under your fork. Under your fork. Where's your fork? Cameron. Under your fork. Under your fork. Oh, there's 2 more pieces. That's G, you're right. Who are you going to see at daycare tomorrow? Are you going to see Abigail tomorrow?
Abigail.
Abigail. That's right.
I.
Whose phone is that?
No.
Whose phone?
No.
Is it Dada's phone?
Dada.
Dada? Is there somebody there? Say hello. You say hello? Hello?
No.
Uh-oh. Bye-bye.